Want to make money using free AI tools in 2025? Here are 5 powerful platforms that people are using right now to build income without coding or spending a dime. First up is ChatGPT, a powerful AI chatbot that can help you write emails, blog posts, business ideas, and even code. Freelancers are using it to create resumes, write ad copy, and even start online businesses. It's free to use and it keeps getting smarter. Need stunning AI-generated images for your business or content? Leonardo AI lets you create high-quality art and photos for free. Designers are using it for websites, YouTube thumbnails, and e-commerce stores. Next is ElevenLabs, a text-to-speech tool that creates human-like voiceovers. Creators are using it for YouTube channels, audiobooks, and more. It sounds so real, most people can't tell it's AI. Imagine building a full website in 30 seconds. Durable lets you do exactly that. Perfect for side hustlers or freelancers offering simple websites to clients. Finally, there's Notion AI, a smart productivity assistant. It helps with planning, note-taking, and organizing tasks faster. Many remote workers use it to manage projects and boost income. All these tools have free versions and are beginner-friendly. Which one would you try first? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more tools that save time and make money.